Yo, yo, what's going on, everybody? Jason back with another recap. It's going to be a recap for Monday and today. Let's see, bring up Mondays. Yeah, Monday was horrible for me. Over trading. I made roughly about 160, 170 bucks. And after commissions and fees, I only $47 out of 160, 170 bucks. Was frustrated right off the rip. Had a $300 loss right in here. Tried to buy the bounce off the VWAP. Came up, tried to hold it, sold off, got caught in it going down. I just revenge traded the whole time. I ended up trading a total of 15,000 shares over two stocks. So yesterday was not a good day. I just commissions ate me alive. Like I said, 160, 170 bucks. Only got 47 that got to stay in my account. Today was a little bit better. Let's see here. Today was ALF. Again, this is the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart in our daily. We got some fundamental data on whatever stock we got a chart on. Time and sales, and most important window, the level 2. Got a little scanner that I'll just pop over and look. Top 10 losers for potential shorts, most active for potential scalps, and baby watch list. The only thing that I saw today was ALF. Not bad. Pre-market, pretty flat till a little bit before. Had a nice pop up. Topped up at around 970 or so. Pre-market sold off a little bit down to the moving average. Just green lines are 20. Blue and gray over here. Blue is 20. Gray is our 9. And of course our VWAP. Obviously I didn't make no trades in here. I didn't get in till about 10 minutes before this. For my first trade. Small size. It's a higher price stock, so I was only able to get 90% of buying power, give me a little over 400 shares. This stock, the spreads were massive. It'll go up 30 cents, drop 70 cents, go up $1, drop $2. It was very, very volatile. I like volatile stocks, but not this much. First entry was 250 shares at $13.59, and I was risking 20 cents up to 25. It looked like we were going to bounce back, and what happened was I ended up buying up here, anticipating this break a new high, this candle to make a new high. So I bought right at the break. 250 got filled, and boom, we go down. Ended up bouncing at the bottom. Would normally be my exit. Buy up here, and with my stop of the bottom of the previous candle, decided to just go ahead and gamble. At this point, I think I was down probably down about 80 or 90 bucks or so. Ended up buying again as we started to come up. Bought again, had an average of 13.59 for a total of 434 shares. Had a quick pop up, 20 cents or so. Sold half, then sold the remaining at the top of this 5 minute candle, which is the 1 minute. So as you can see, this is where I bought. Saw the same candle, 5 minute candle. So where I bought up here, anticipating this break. We broke real quick and then came back down. Was about to sell when we dropped past the 9 moving average, but came down here, found support right above the 20. As we started to go up, I bought again. It was at 184 shares. So I didn't have much buying power left, and sold on the way up. And glad that I did, because next candle we ended up selling off within the same one and opening below. Really don't like to buy below any moving average. And then 15 minutes later, we had this happen up here. I tried to get an entry right here for the break of this candle. See, we came down again, tapped at 20, came back up, broke through the 9. Tried to get an entry up here and I didn't get filled. I was trying to buy at the top up here, anticipating this to keep on running up, and I didn't get filled. I guess as soon as I hit the buy button, it went down, so I didn't get no executions. I was at 1331. I was trying to buy 314 shares and we sold off. And after that, decided just not to trade this stock anymore because it broke the moving averages. I'm not going to buy below the moving averages. And then what happens? We end up blowing through them again and have a nice run up. And that's what it did the rest of the day. Missed out on all this, missed out on a lot of money, left a lot of money on the table. The only other trade I did today was WWR. Popped up on scanners. This one I bought in max size, 90% buying power. Ooh, come on. With recording and all the charts I got up on my screen, my laptop kind of bogs out. For 6 cents. 6 cents again, same thing. Was gonna hold it a little longer, but right around this area, right around the $0.50, the big seller kept showing up on the ask. Right at 550, he would pop up. 17,000 shares, so 170 would pop up here, and the price would go down. We'd come up, same thing, go down. Usually, when you see big sellers on the ask, price is gonna drop. He's putting up a wall. So what happened? Came down, went back up to that level, ended up selling the whole. And as soon as all my shares sold and got filled, boom, we go up about another 20 cents. So left some money on the table there, but good thing we got out. We didn't hold, try to get too greedy because it ended up selling all off again. And then the same thing happened with this bad boy. Ended up running up again, testing high days, fell back down. But that's what happens. Sometimes it doesn't work out the way you plan it. You get out and it skyrockets, and then you want to be, oh, I'm going to get back in, start having FOMO, and you end up trying to buy up here again, testing high day, and it fades off, comes back down, as you can see it did here. So other than that, let me show you. Bring you in here on laptop view. There's our laptop view. So that's what we traded. 868 on ALF, 1500 on here. Like I said, I bought in with max share size and sold it for only 6 cents. So for a total of 136.36, 2,400 shares after fees and commissions. I'm looking at 112 bucks. And these are all my executions. Try to sell over here, as you can see. Try to get the first half. 86, didn't get filled, canceled, came back in, 20 cents lighter, but then ended up selling it 20 cents more for the remaining half. I imported my trades to TradeView for yesterday and today. Let's see what we can do. Log into this bad boy. Bring up the dashboard. Here we go. Yeah, y'all can see that. Going to our reports. This is our calendar view. So we're sitting at 9 green days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green days in a row, which is awesome. Again, all these are pre-commissions, pre-fees. So like I said, right here. So what I made yesterday. Yesterday was down on 200, down 300, up 200, down to 100. Just traded too many shares, exiting at the wrong point, entering at the high when I should have been entering mid or low. It was horrible. 47 bucks is what I took home off of this. This will be about 112 or so. 9 green trading days in a row, which gives me, we've made 16 trades, 13 green, 3 not green, 13 winners, 3 losers. So right now I'm trading with 81% accuracy. That's total gains, pre-commissions and fees. Average daily is 140. It used to be 9 cents, dropped down to 7. It's still good. Anything above 0, anything above being negative is good. Same. I mean, everything's still working good. Still got roughly 2-to-1 profit to loss ratio. Measure historical performance by day. Mondays, Tuesdays are usually my good days, or days that I've made the most. Wednesdays not so much. Thursdays definitely not, and then wildcard Friday, as I like to call it. But these are all my statistics for this little challenge. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 days left in this month. Definitely gonna start swinging for the fences. I'll be on probably an hour before market open from here on out to the end of the month and see how much we can grow this account. Other than that, that's all I got. Free ebook will be out in a couple weeks. It's being edited, formatted, all that good stuff. Have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I respond to every comment. Other than that, like, subscribe, and see y'all tomorrow. Peace.